Yeah, me there again once more, people. Big up manners and respect to each and everyone. Alright, my people, so I have videos I'm going to present to you. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a type of motor vehicle that's in a bad condition. I mean, this motor vehicle is in a deplorable condition, viewers and subscribers. I mean, in my point of view, this motor vehicle is missing of so many parts. I don't think this motor vehicle should be on any road driving. See? Because I don't know exactly where and when this video will be recorded, but my people, for real, that motor vehicle I look away. So I'm going to present this video to you so you can take a look at it for yourself. Tell me what you think, my people. Just tell me what you think about this bad condition motor vehicle. Observe, my people. I don't even know if I call this a motor vehicle. But tell me what you think. Observe. Look at it, my people. Look there. Yeah, and you might be surprised for no, say it a move. Yeah, it a move. See it there? Look there. You see that? It a move. It a move, my people. The first time I saw that video, I wondered if our old car or our old motor vehicle just dip on the roadside somewhere or something. To my surprise, it start move. Me I say, me don't even want to repeat what me say. All me can say, if a motor vehicle like that ever there anywhere on Jamaica road, me know police now left the driver on that on the road. You see? Alright, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I am going to present a video to you that's going to show how a person who was driving a motor vehicle was somehow able to avoid being held or captured by two persons who some people might consider to be criminals. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to what those two persons was trying to do to the driver for the motor vehicle. But in my point of view, the driver for the motor vehicle was somehow able to avoid being held or captured by those two persons who some people might consider to be criminals. So my understanding is that the person who was driving the motor vehicle stopped the motor vehicle at a certain location and was opening a gate or opened a gate, and at some point two persons approached the motor vehicle that the person was driving. Allegedly, and let me say this, allegedly, it is believed that at least one of those two persons who approached the motor vehicle was holding or pointing something that looks like a gun. Now my people, the reason why I said it like that is because sometimes even though you see somebody that holds something that looks like a gun, things might not be exactly as it seems. So may I say, now I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. One of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is to help bring an awareness. Now, two of the motor vehicle doors was open, viewers and subscribers, and the driver for the motor vehicle reversed the motor vehicle. And at least one of those two persons, who some people might call criminals, was somewhat hit or pushed by a door of the motor vehicle. I said at least. See? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, so the motor vehicle, I know my people, see? That's the motor vehicle. Look what's going on right there. You can see someone come from out of the motor vehicle. Alright. So that person open a gate. Alright. So notice two persons walking towards the motor vehicle. And the person got inside of the motor vehicle now, people. See, watch there. You see that? Look how the person a point. You see the person a point, like him a pointing, you know, the hand, look like the hand a hold something, look there. Look, see that? Open the person door. And then the person, see? Look at that. Then the person drive away. The person drive the motor vehicle away. Alright, my people, so I have another video I'm going to present to you, and while you listen carefully to some words that a person say in this video. So I say in this video you can hear when the person mentioned the word truck, and you can hear when the person mentioned the word diesel. But people, I might be surprised to hear some words that the person say in another video, and my people. So I say, and I want to say to each and every motorist, be careful where you park your motor vehicle. Whether it wants to be a truck, van, car, whatsoever, just be careful, because you have some dishonest persons out there. Alright, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself, my people. Observe.
A man now call me. I live in right here. My truck just park here. A man now call me and tell me he come out the club up the road right 2 buildings away from me. I see 2 men come out from under my truck last night. I now pull up here after lunch to come and check on my truck. All you see with the state of this country with you. All you watch with the state of this country with you. Watch your man. Where the men come out under my truck to thief. Watch my diesel cover there. The diesel the men come to thief, you know. Yeah. Try open the cover and thief diesel, you know. My tank empty, you know. So that's so sick, boy. That will reach you, boy. And he said that a truck park in front of me. We get a number plate. And watch the diesel mark on the road. So then fellas like they full up the diesel one time. Like I know diesel in the truck. Oh, one of the fellas buy the diesel and buy $50 diesel. Go reach you whatever you're doing, brother. Diesel, brother. Trinidad is really not a real place. Not Trinidad is a mad house without fence. I telling you. Plain talk bad manners.
Me get what I try to say. You see me I say? But you know, that set away though. That set away. That really and truly set away. If you know you park your motor vehicle and then, there's a word for doing something like, you know, when time somebody try to take out like say you have gas in your motor vehicle and somebody try to use something to take out the gas from out of your tank of your motor vehicle. There's an what's that word me I look for? Size. It's the right this up. But the people, tell me if you know what me I talk about. There's me I say, tell me if you understand which word me I look for. Alright, now my people, I got information that a PMP councilor who goes by the name of Ainsley Parkins was shot and killed on Thursday morning. So according to information that I got, it is said that a councillor for the South Borough Division in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica was shot dead on Thursday. Now my people, if my memory serves me good, and based on some information that I got some time ago, it is said that a Jamaica Labour Party councillor caretaker for the same division, who goes by the last name of Hines, was shot and killed within the Marcus Garvey Drive area, or along Marcus Garvey Drive, sometime within the year 2022. And I think it was on a Thursday too. It is said that Parkins is the second politician from the division to be murdered within a certain amount of time. So it is said that Parkins was shot in his division, and at some point was taken to a hospital, and at some point he was pronounced dead. So according to information that I got, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that a person said that he is dead. I am just leaving the hospital and heading to Southborough right now. He was one of the best councillor in Portmore, and allegedly it is said that someone also said that he never tolerated the gunmen and that he would work with police when it comes down to certain activities that happened within his division. That's the information that I got, my people. You see me I say? So this is a developing story, my people. It is said that police had launched an investigation into the whole situation, and we just get the information that I got. You see me I say? I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So let me know what you think, and big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.